Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have studied our fourth chapter and the software we have used is LibreOffice Writer. What is the use of LibreOffice Writer? It is a software which helps us to create letters, posters, notices, articles, etc. Okay, so we have studied also the formatting tools used in LibreOffice Writer. Which are the formatting tools? Bold, italics, underline, the alignment tools, etc. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter and we are using a new software called GeoGebra. So using this software, the students are able to draw geometrical shapes and patterns. So what do you mean by geometrical shapes? Yes, circles, triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Okay, so using this software you can draw these geometrical shapes. So chapter name is circular figures and we are using an application called GeoGebra. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in today's class. First I will give you an introduction about GeoGebra. Next I will show you how to open GeoGebra application. Third, I will introduce you a tool known as show or hide grid tool. And finally I will do an activity. This is the activity: circles with same center and different radius. So I will explain detail at that time. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in today's class. So let us move to the first topic. So what is a GeoGebra? It is written here. GeoGebra is a software. It is a software. What is its use? It is used to draw or construct. Both are same. Draw or construct geometrical shapes. What do you mean by geometrical shapes? Yes, circle, triangle, rectangle, square, etc. These are known as geometrical shapes. And patterns. So patterns in the sense, I will show you in your textbook. You can see in page number 30, you can see this is a pattern. It is written here, a floral carpet, a pattern. And also in your textbook, page number 33, page number 33, these all are patterns, different patterns. You can see here, this is one pattern, this is another patterns. So different shapes and different patterns are shown in your textbook. In page number 33, this is page number 33 of your textbook. Okay, so GeoGebra is nothing but, you read out once more, don't by heart, it is a software. What is its use? It is used to draw. Used to draw what? Geometrical shapes. What do you mean by geometrical shapes? Circles, rectangle, square, triangle, etc. And also patterns which I have shown now in your textbook. Okay, so this is the definition of GeoGebra. Okay, what is our next topic? How to open GeoGebra application. So I have written here, step 1, go to application, step 2, select education, and step 3, click on GeoGebra. So I'll show it now. At the top left corner you can see applications here. Click on that. Second step, education, and third you have to select GeoGebra. This is GeoGebra, you can see here. Click on that. So this is your GeoGebra window. You can see here lines horizontally and vertically. Okay, so this is known as, this hole is known as GeoGebra window. GeoGebra window, this page. Okay, here at the top you can see so many tools. This is toolbox. Here you can see move, point, line, perpendicular line, polygon, circle, etc. So we are having only circles. Okay, so we will discuss in detail at that time. So this is known as GeoGebra window, this one. Okay, now what is our next topic? Yes, a tool, show or hide grid tool. Okay, so I'll show you in our GeoGebra. What do you mean by grid? This horizontal and vertical lines. Can you see here the boxes, small boxes is known as grids. Okay, now at the top left corner, can you see here this one? This tool is known as show or hide the grid. It is written there. I'll show you once more. At the top left corner, can you see here? It is written there, show or hide the grid. Click on that. Now there is no grid here. It is blank, a white color space. Okay, so if you want grid again, click on the tool again. Okay, then it will show the grid. Now you can see the grid, right? If you want to hide the grid, you can click again on that tool. Now it is hide. Once more, if you want to show the grid, click on the tool. If you want to hide the grid, again click on the same tool. Now it is hidden. So I am going to show again. Okay, is it clear? So what is the use of it? This tool is used to show or hide grids in GeoGebra window. So while you open GeoGebra, you can see the grids. The small rectangle or squares are known as grids. If you want to hide this, you have to click on this tool. It is at the top left corner. Click on that. Now it is, the grid is hidden. If you want to show the grid again, click on the same tool again. Now it is shown. You can see the grids. Hope all are clear about this. In your textbook, page number 28, you can see this, the explanation of this tool, show or hide grid tool. Okay, so it is shown here, this one. This tool is known as show or hide the grid. Okay, so in today's class we have studied a definition of GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a software which is used to draw geometrical shapes and patterns. Next, how to open GeoGebra application. Yes, it is written there as second point. First you have to go to application, second you have to go to education, and finally you have to click on GeoGebra. And what is the third tool we have, third thing we have studied in today's class? Yes, show or hide tool. What is its use? It is used to show or hide the grids in GeoGebra window. As a homework, you have to write down the class notes in your notebook, which I have shown in the video.